does one suspect heart attack, and how do we come to know that one is having a heart attack, and that crucial hour of reaching out to the hospital on time, which is also known as the golden hour? What is the importance of this urgently reaching to the hospital?
I think that is an extremely important part of treatment of heart attack is first to diagnose what the problem is. Now, heart attack can be suspected in anybody who has got discomfort in the chest. It can be in the center of the chest most of the times, and many times it can radiate toward the shoulders, arms, elbows, or even up to the jaw. And most people think that heart attacks, the chest pain should be on the left side. But unfortunately, they do not know that the heart developmentally is a central organ, and hence the chest discomfort, it may not always be pain, it can be other things like squeezing or burning or just heaviness in the chest. And most of the times it occurs in the center of the chest and many times at the back as well. So somebody has this sort of symptoms, you should strongly suspect that there may be a heart attack, early stage of a heart attack. And many times it is mistaken for some form of either gastritis or indigestion. And because of this, valuable time is lost. And as you rightly said, there is something known as a golden hour, where if the person reaches the hospital within the first 1 hour, the chances of survival from a heart attack increase significantly. Almost 95% of the patients who have a heart attack can be saved if they reach the hospital within the first 1 hour. That is why it is known as the golden hour. Secondly, if reaching the hospital is delayed, many of them can die either during this first 1 hour or even during the first 3 to 4 hours. So it is important not only to recognize early, to suspect and to reach the hospital as early as possible.
Right.